National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Logan County in western Arkansas, northeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, west central Yell County in central Arkansas, until 3 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Boonville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boonville, Magazine, Blue Mountain, Stonehouse Recreation Area, Mount Magazine, Barber, Waveland, Driggs, Sugar Grove, Carolan, Corley, Grayson, Glendale and Logan County, Ione. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, northeastern Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, west central Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Amity, or 20 miles southeast of Mount Ida, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glenwood, Amity, Myers, Lofton, Rockwell, Doug Gray Lake State Park, Bismarck, Alpine, Bonnerdale, Sunshine, Welsh, Rossboro, Royal, Point Cedar, Pettyview, Hempwallace, Perky, Crystal Springs. Sun showers and thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Highs around 90. Thunderstorm warning for east central Jackson County in eastern Arkansas.